Okay, so today we are going to make a parametric design in 3ds Max. So first of all, we are going to make a plane. So we are going to make a plan, selecting the plan and then changing the length. And we are also going to change the segments as we want more organic shape. From the modifier list, we are going to write noise. This will create an um, organic structure like this. You could also use this option to make your terrain or something, a quick terrain or a quick land. Okay, yep. I'm just going to change the parameters as my requirement. Okay, so now we are going to choose, click on the section from object type and then create a section and just going to flip it 90-degree, like rotate it. Moving the section, and now we are going to make this, we are going to clone this, but here I'm just going to array this section, which would be much easier. From the tools menu, yep, something like this. Yep, now we are going to choose all the section, go to the modifier list. We are going to like edit the poly, just convert those section to edit the spline and go to the modifier section, choosing the spline. I'm just going to hide this and select all the splines and go to the modifier list, type edit poly and then choose all the points and then control plus A. This would select all the points and choose weld. This would weld. You could, I think the default welding is like circular. Okay, so from modifier list, you could type renderable spline, um, where you could change this pipe structure to the rectangular one, like this. Angle those however you want, like you could say in the elevation, change the size and everything, and just going to change the angle and everything. So yeah, this is how you create the parametric wall or organic shape. Thank you for watching.